In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use melee weapons on bikes in GTA 5 PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. By using a specific combination of buttons, you will be able to swing any one-handed melee weapon left and right of your bike while you are currently riding it. Keep in mind that the process is going to be the same for platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. So for PlayStation specifically, all that you have to do is hold X. As soon as you hold the X button, you will take a stance, and then you can press L1 or right 1. So for Xbox, it's going to be the same thing, however, you will be holding A instead, and then press the left bumper or right bumper. But since the focus of this video is PlayStation 4, I'm gonna be displaying those buttons on screen. Just hold X and then press L1 or R1. If you have a one-handed melee weapon equipped, you will see your character take a stance and they are going to swing to the respective side, either left or right, according to the button that you pressed. If you do not have a one-handed melee weapon equipped, your character will instead perform a kick, or it's just going to punch or shove the specific side that you chose. So once again, to go over the process for PlayStation 4, hold the X button and then follow it up by tapping L1 or R1 while riding. If you are using an Xbox controller or rather playing on an Xbox console, hold A instead and then tap LB or RB. If you ever play on PC, you have to hold the X button on your keyboard and then click left or right, and the same effect will be triggered. Like I said, you will be able to still drive while swinging your melee weapon, and this should work for any bike, and the only requirement is that the melee weapon can be wielded one-handed, and as long as you do this, you will be able to swing it while riding. I hope I was able to help you on how to use melee weapons on a bike on the PlayStation 4 GTA 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.